Okay, tank view. We're gonna put the camera. I can't even know where to put it. Here is the good place. 2002. Coming. I'm coming. Wait, just... Come on, hurry up. What? Okay, I'm coming in a few minutes. Okay. So here we go. Here we go. Okay, let's put the tank back. Right, let's put the tank back on. Because my mom is calling me and we need to get a haircut. This was filmed at Anna's Beauty. Okay, so yeah. So bye guys. Bye guys. Alright. Let's pause the video camera.
Slurring on my words. Slurring on my words.